So, you've decided to take the plunge into the world of fitness. And here you are, staring at this intimidating piece of equipment. The 4-wheel ab roller. It looks simple enough, right? Just a wheel with some handles. But let me tell you, it's a beast in disguise. If you're a beginner, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and dread. Trust me, you're not alone. The first thing you need to do is understand that this isn't just about rolling back and forth. It's about engaging your core, stabilizing your body, and building strength. Let's break it down. First, find a comfortable space on the floor, preferably on a mat, to protect your knees. Kneeling is the best position to start. Place the ab roller in front of you, gripping the handles firmly. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and your knees should be directly under your hips. This is your starting position. It might feel awkward at first, but that's okay. Embrace the awkwardness. It's part of the journey. Now, before you roll out, let's talk about your core. This is where the magic happens. You need to engage your abdominal muscles. Think of pulling your belly button towards your spine. This is crucial because if you don't engage your core, you risk straining your back, and we definitely don't want that. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, brace your core. All right, here comes the fun part. Slowly roll the ab roller forward, extending your body. Keep your back straight. Don't let it sag. Imagine you're a plank of wood, solid and unyielding. Go as far as you can without losing that form. If you feel your back starting to arch, stop. It's better to roll out a little than to risk injury. Once you've reached your limit, it's time to roll back. Engage those abs even more as you pull the roller back towards you. This is where you'll really feel the burn. Don't rush it. Control the movement. It's not about how far you can go, it's about how well you can maintain that form. As a beginner, aim for 5 to 10 repetitions. It might not sound like much, but trust me, your abs will thank you later. And don't forget to rest. Listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued, take a break. Progress takes time, and consistency is key. Remember, this is just the beginning. As you get stronger, you can start to increase your range of motion and add more repetitions. But for now, celebrate the small victories. You're on your way to building a stronger core, and that's something to be proud of.